Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out articles on the Pelipecky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the articles button down below in the left side corner of the screen. So here, as you scroll down, you can see a bunch of available articles that you can check out. As you can see, some of them are tagged, such as magazine or tips, so tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. Here you can see the article content if you tap on this button, what the article includes or contains. Here you can check it out. And if you tap on this three dots button in the upper right corner, you can share the article or save it for later as well. If you save it for later and go back to the previous page and click on this menu icon, you can see this saved articles section where you can find the saved article. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.